Alright, so I want to show you how to smoothen your face, or how to remove the stains, the bleaches, dark spots on your photo. So let's get started. I'm gonna go to my photo right here. It's in the desktop. It's the desktop now. This is the photo. Then I drag it. Just drop it there. Alright, this is it. So this photo, you can see there's some dark spots here. I want to do it really well. So let's start. First, make sure that this one is selected to white, the foreground color. Then the background color right here is black. Okay, go ahead and just duplicate the background. Have your layer here. You can do Ctrl J, or you just right click here and just duplicate the layer. Then I'm gonna go and do inversion, Ctrl I, not on the background, sorry. Let me just redo that. Go select layer 1, then Ctrl I, then just change the color composition to vivid light, then go to filter, other, high pass. Then I'm gonna go right to like 20. No, 24 would be good, but I always use 24, but this time I'm gonna go to like 12.5. Then go again to filter, but then blur, Gaussian blur. Then put it to, when you put it like high, the photo becomes brighter, but just try to put it between 2.5 to 4. 2.5 to 4. Okay, I'm gonna do 2.6. Okay, so just create a mask, alt, press on alt, then just click on this mask. That is an inverse mask. Take your brush, just put the size very well. You can go ahead and zoom just to make sure that the details are captured quite well. Brush, let me check here. White and black or background. Alright, there we go. I made a mistake here. Just to make sure that the foreground color is white and then the background color is black. Okay, let's do it. You can see I'm rubbing away, brushing the stains, those blemishes. You don't want to smoothen the details like okay how do I put it, like around the eyes and the ears. You want those places to appear sharp so that your photo looks very real. Just go ahead and just do that. Alright. Alright, there we have it. In less than 3 minutes, we have done a good job. Now you can see the difference. That was the initial photo. Now this is the edited photo. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful, and see you on my next video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming tutorials. See you next time. Bye.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be